Good day to all. Welcome to Sujata's vlog, my YouTube channel. All new viewers, please do subscribe to my channel, which has to be done only once. And my regular viewers, please do like my video and share it with your friends and family members. Today, I'm going to show you a kitchen tour of my home in Chicago, USA. I will be showing you how we have arranged the kitchen. Our kitchen basically white and brown based theme. White will be dominating. Brown is to balance the look. Mostly the furniture which we took is brown color, and the cupboards and the island area, everything is white. Now this is the overview of the kitchen. This side of the platform is for the sink area. On this platform we have used also for arranging bar tools, so we can sit here and relax and drink tea or coffee. This is maximization of space which we have done. Then now I am taking you towards the main kitchen area. All our provisions, utensils, and other items which mainly are needed in the kitchen. So this is the coffee machine. My son loves coffee, so this we have used, and above that itself we have arranged all related to coffee tea making items like the cutleries. This is saucer, cups, and the tea powder, coffee powder. Even we have the old Indian method of making coffee, those items. Now let's go to the next cupboard adjacent to it. Here we have arranged all regular for cooking purpose whatever items are needed daily basis. Now what I have removed is the masala box. I love these two boxes in kitchen. See, it gives a very beautiful look. So these also we have purchased it brown color to go with the kitchen theme. See, this is the garam masala box. All Indian houses will have this without fail. So these are the main ingredients which we use for cooking. Just observe the glass jars which we have purchased are all same color and same sizes. Now this side of the cupboard we have arranged basic dals which we regularly use. The other side is stock of other extra excess provisions which we have purchased. I have stocked it here, plus also in the pantry area. Now this part I have kept all these glasses, cups, and even here below we have used it for glasses and the cups itself. Now these drawers which are below the platform for storing plates, then utensils, then cooking utensils also. This is how we have arranged it. This is the main stove along with the oven. This side I kept spoons which can be reached easily, and now this chapati maker and all in a slider drawer I have kept it to remove it easily. There is another drawer where other items also, cutlery items I have kept. In USA you have this waste disposal bins in the kitchen itself which is easily used. Now I have also kept all the cleaning material which has been purchased in wholesale below the sink. This is the dishwasher, built-in one. So all the space is properly used without any wastage. There is one island area where all the drawers are also built below that, and all cutleries, then like spoons, and below that in a slider we have kept mixie jars, and in the side also we have kept electric cookers and rice cooker. Pocket beside this island, which can be you attach to electrical cookers, and all can be placed above, and you can cook. Even this island I am using for cutting items like vegetables, etc. This is the pantry. This we have purchased rice flour boxes from India itself. Now this area, the platform area, how I have arranged it, you can see. This is the book, recipe book, which I have kept there. Oil, water bottles, sugar bowls, etc. All going with the theme white and brown, white and brown. That's how it has been arranged. Now let's go towards the right side of the kitchen, where we have a wine cabinet. This is very common. Wine cabinets are very common in US, whether you drink or not, but it is kept without fail. Now this is the dining part. Dining table, we have arranged the brown with bench and chairs and the lighting above it. This is the backside of the kitchen, where there is a garden courtyard. On the side I have also placed few indoor plants like snake plant and creepers. That is near the French window. This is the total overview of the kitchen. Hope you liked my kitchen tour. Thank you for watching my video.